Today I'm going to show you how to remove commas in Google Sheets. This is particularly useful when you're working with imported data or formatting numbers that don't need comma separators, making your spreadsheet cleaner and easier to work with. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in to your Google account using your credentials. This will take you to your Workspace dashboard where all your files and spreadsheets are stored. From the Workspace dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to remove commas. This will open your sheet in the main editing interface. Take a moment to identify which cells or columns contain the commas you want to eliminate. Now, the first thing you need to do is select all the data from which you want to remove commas. You can do this by clicking and dragging across the cells, or if you need to select an entire column, simply click on the column letter at the top. Once you've made your selection, look at the menu bar at the top of the screen and click on Format. A drop-down menu will appear with various formatting options. From this menu, click on Number and then select Plain Text. This step is important because it converts your data to plain text format, which prevents Google Sheets from automatically adding formatting like commas back into your numbers. Next, with your data still selected, click on Edit in the top menu bar. From the drop-down that appears, click on Find and Replace. This powerful tool will help you systematically remove all commas from your selected data. A dialog box will pop up on your screen with several fields and options. In the Find field, you'll need to input a comma symbol. Just type in a single comma character. Then look at the Replace with field directly below it. This field should remain completely empty with no value whatsoever. Leaving it blank tells Google Sheets to replace every comma with nothing, effectively removing them from your data. Finally, click the Replace All button. Google Sheets will now scan through all your selected data and remove every comma it finds. You should see the changes take effect immediately in your spreadsheet, and a small notification might appear telling you how many replacements were made. And that's it. You've successfully removed all commas from your Google Sheets data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.